want to show you how to play Summertime by George Gershwin from Porgy Bess. If you want the letter notes for Summertime, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody, the right-hand melody. E, C, E, D, C, D, E, C, A, D and E, C and E, back up to E, C, F and D twice. Then you roll this up, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, F and D again, and then back and forth, C, A, D sharp to C, C, A, D sharp, C, B. And I play it up here. You can play it either place. You can take it down there, or you can play it right here. So either way will work, but you start on a B and you go B, E at E flat, D, B, F sharp, F, E, and then we're back to E, C, E, E, E. Oh, your daddy's rich right there. E, C, E, 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 D, C, D, E, C, A, D and E, C and E, D, E, F sharp, G, E, G, A, C, E, D, F and C, open fifth, C, down to a C, E, A, an A minor chord, then G, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, E. That gets the melody with the little interludes in between. Now, of course, I have the melody written out there. Without the extra stuff. For the vocal line. And then I have the rest of it written out for the second verse too. Now let's get to the left hand. You start off with a G sharp, and then we're going to go to an A, E, F sharp. So you got an A minor, we're doing a 6, A minor with a 6 in there, so 1, 3, 5, 6. Or then to a B, E, G sharp. Back and forth between an E chord and an A minor. We start on the G sharp. Then we go to an A minor with a 6th in there. A minor with the 6th added in there. So A minor, add the 6th, but we leave out the C. So we just have A, E, F sharp. Then we go to an E chord with B on the bottom. E, G sharp, B. So we've got the B down on the bottom, E in the middle. Back and forth. It just keeps going like that for a while. Then we go up to a D minor, D open 5th, then B flat, B, C, D, E, F, F sharp, then to a G sharp and an E, and back up to a B and a D sharp, and then this is E, E, C sharp, C, B. Then this little pickup is a B flat and a G sharp. Right back to this. Just goes back and forth between those two chords, just rocking back and forth. Back and forth until we get to the C chord. Hush, little baby. C chord right there, C, A, low D and A, open 5th on the G and D, and then open 5th on the A and the E. It's an A minor chord. And when you introduce the G right there, so it becomes a 7th with the added 6th. So you got the added 6th and the 7th in that chord. So let's put it together very slowly. So both of those notes are with the G sharp. Then we go to the left hand. Now here you're going to put these two notes together right there. So you've got that. So that gives you a 7th chord. That gives you an E7 right there. E7th chord with the D in there. And there's your C that belongs in that A minor chord with the added 6. There's your C right there. And now here, we've got the D minor chord. The F is right here, and the D, F, A, D. Then you hold this D. You only hit this once, but you hit this twice. And then this thumb is going to go G, the index finger G sharp A, then B flat B, and then come right back down and hit that again. So I'll go slowly with it. So this finger's going B flat B C, and this one's going G G sharp A. The right hand by itself, B flat B, and then hit this with this D, and then it gets kind of easy here. E, F, F sharp. But right there, you got to introduce a D sharp and a C. Now you could make it easier if you just left that D sharp out, but it sounds better. See, it sounds better with the D sharp in there, so I play it. So what your left hand's going to do right there, it's going to go E, F, F sharp, G sharp, E, and then you come right up to a B, D sharp. It's going to be a B chord right there, B, D sharp sound, and then you've got the E, B, C. So what you've got right there, let's go back to the this right here. F sharp is in there, so what you've got right there is you got a diminished 7th. It's built either on the D sharp or the F sharp, but see, you've got a diminished 7th would be 1, 3, 5, 7, all diminished, all minor thirds. So we've got that built in there. That's the sound we got, and then we go to. So we hit that B and we go B, E, E flat, D. When you hit that D, you're going to have a D sharp in the left hand. So we've got a little dissonance right there. And these E's go together and then drop the octave E, C sharp, C, B. Now this is hard because you got to go immediately to this B flat and the G sharp. Back to the A, E, F sharp, and then you got to slide up to a B. Now your mind is going to automatically remember that B flat, and then it's going to try to go back to that B flat. You can't do it. You got to hit the B flat, the G sharp, and then go to the A, E, F sharp, slide up to the B. You're right back to there. So this one you're just going to have to practice it because your little finger is going to want to come right back to the B flat, and you got to go to the B natural right there. There's your B flat. Now let me show you something there. When you're swinging that, you hit this after the C, and then so you kind of swing between those things because the chord hits, the note hits, then the chord, then the note, then these two together come together. The D and the E comes with the. And to get that to fit, it's got to be. You're going to have to just feel the swing in your body there. And this one just D, E, F sharp, G sharp, you've got an E chord with that B in the bottom, so you're just going to walk it up. And then it gets real nice and clear when it goes to Hush Little Baby, right to a C chord. And then you got that A minor sound, but the C chord is just, it just sounds cool there with the G in the bass. Just a little twist there on the D minor, put that E in there, and then we go to a G7 sound with the C thrown in there. You got a G and a D down here and an F and a C up here, so it's your call on that, because you've kind of got that sound like a G13th or something, because you've got that F in there. And then we go to A minor. This is tricky because you got to go hit the C and then jump down to the A minor chord with the A on top. The C, E is down here. A minor chord is A, C, E. So you got A and E down here, C, E, A right there. And while you suspend this A and E, then we go back to that chord, and then we hit these octaves. Now here we're going to hit a triplet in there. And here it's going to change just ever so slightly, just like that triplet changed. There's little changes all the way through, but you got, so you hit that and hold it and go on to the C. So you've got a triplet here. So the rhythm is different. Then this is the same. And see if you get to there where you can go. So you can drop an octave. If you want to. And then we're back to this with the B flat G sharp. Is it changes rhythm again. So they're making a triplet out of with a tie over into the next bar for the G sharp. So your triplet is E, F sharp, G sharp, and then you hold the G sharp. Then we're back to this sound. This time I left out the C. It just we get a E, D sharp, D, crush that D sharp into the D. There's that G, D, and F, C together. And then just this rolls E, C, D, E, C, and then we're right into the A with the 6th added, the A minor with the 6th added. And then very sleepy, lazy, because we're coming to the end. So you end with this chord. You don't play this C right there. You just play the D and the E. Then hit the chord, the A, E with the F sharp, and then roll an A, E, A up here. There you have it. Summertime. George Gershwin from Porgy Bess. It's a beautiful piece of music. It's fun to play. Takes a little work, but it's worth it. If you take your time, spend a little time with it, I think you'll enjoy it.